Back at it again, putting on a new oil filter on the missus car. Put some oil in it, new oil's been put in, just need to change this filter. So I'll show you where this filter is on this car. Now this is a Range Rover Evoque convertible, so I don't know if it's different to the other one, the hard top, but that there is the oil filter, and it's just under the windscreen there, under the AdBlue filler neck. Now I've watched a video on YouTube and his was under the bumper. Now you need to take this plate off, like a belly plate. See the bolts there, 15mm bolts. Take them off. Need some plugs under there, so do that. Take your oil out, fresh in. Yes, plenty in there. I'll top it up after I get this filter housing off. So let's crack on. Right, what I've got is one of these. So just feed it down there. It's a bit tricky. It's a bit fiddly, all right. I think I've done it there. I've cracked it off. Yep. Yep. Here we go. Right, let's get the new filter. New O-ring. What I'm going to try and do is get this. I don't know if it's going to come out with the. Yeah, it should do. Right. There we go. Put it straight in there. There you go. Let's put a bit of oil on this O-ring. we go. Yeah. Well needed changing, it's rock hard that. There we go. That's seated in there, lovely. Let's put this filter back. Might just tip a bit of oil in there just to, you know what I mean? So she's not dry. Give him a little doofle. There we go. I'll give it a wipe down. Happy days.